my name is Karima Shepherd and I want to welcome you guys to my channel. I know that I do have some old followers who are with me and have been still with me since 2013, which I think might be the date of the last video that I have posted, but that is old and this is now, and I am so excited to finally be back making videos for you guys. So I'm definitely going to be coming at you guys with a lot of different hair reviews, some different makeup hauls, as well as different fashion hauls, okay? But today we are going to be talking about my absolute favorite Aliexpress hair company, and that company is called Cynosure. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but I'll leave a link down below for you guys to look at it, and I'm gonna go through a couple of the things I'm sure you guys are probably wondering when it comes to this particular brand, okay? So if you're watching this video, I would assume that you may be aware of what Aliexpress is, but if for some reason you are not, Aliexpress is an online Chinese-based company. It has a lot of different products, but it's very highly known for selling virgin hair. And so for me, I've tried a lot of different Aliexpress's, different vendors and things of that nature. And I do think that it's well worth it, but sometimes you just have to pick and choose and just try to figure out what's going on. So just like anyone else, whenever there's a new product that I want, I go directly to YouTube. So I was searching on AliExpress and I came across the Cynosure hair. Now, the one thing that I noticed was the price was very, very cheap. And bigger than that, all the reviews that I saw were really, really good. And when I say really good, like 98% satisfactory. So I said, you know what the heck? Let me try this hair out. Now, keep in mind, one, this video is not sponsored, and two, I have literally been ordering from this hair for the past 2 years, okay? I live here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I moved down here June of 2016, and I remember I had just moved down and I really needed some hair, and I tried it out, and I have been consistently wearing it, and I absolutely love it, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what I have on my head right now, all right? So as mentioned before, this is the Cynosure hair. Tell you about the shipping. So as soon as you put your card in, you're gonna automatically receive a message that said, hey, we got your order, we're gonna go ahead and process it. And I think that on the website it says it'll take 3 to 5 business days, but it usually doesn't take that long as far as processing it. I could order hair on Thursday and probably get it like that Monday. Like the shipping is always really, really good. The vendors, they will message you if you have any questions. Like they're always on top of their game, okay? And what I have in my hair right now is the Brazilian Body Wave. This is in inches 24, 22, and 20. Now, originally when I ordered this, I had ordered it with a 16-inch a 16-inch frontal, but I was really scared to do the frontal, and I was really nervous about making it up. So when in doubt, just stick to what you know. I ended up wanting to get just a regular closure from them, but they didn't sell it separately. So I ended up ordering this particular closure from a different company that I'll talk about in maybe like another video, because their prices and the quality of their texture is really good. But we're not talking about them, we're talking about Cynosure right now, okay? So another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys is, I guess my overall experience. These are just wand curls. I use my Remington wand curl that I've had forever. Okay, I used all 3 of the bundles. Like I said, I did use a closure piece from a different company. I opened it up, really cute pink packaging. They always give you some lashes. There's not a smell to it. I know that some people do co-wash their hair first. In this particular instant, I did not, because I was rushing and I needed hair immediately, so I did not co-wash it. As far as this hair is concerned, I will say that there are some tricks that you need to know. Do not put a high level of heat on the hair, okay? The hair curls very beautifully, and there's no need for you to wand curl your hair on 400 degrees if it's gonna get the job done at, 365 degrees. That's just what I've experienced with it. Another thing about it is when I'm using just my regular curling iron, what I'll do is I'll curl it at the beginning of the week, and I'll maybe have like 4 on each side as far as flexi rods, and just flexi rodding them, and it just stays. So very good, very great vendor. Super excited to always work with them. I did make this unit. I have it on a dome cap, a mesh dome cap. By the way, I want to definitely clarify and say a mesh dome cap. The reason why I like the mesh dome cap so much is because when it does come to washing the hair, because it's mesh, it's vinylized or whatever. So it's a lot of the air is coming through it. So it's really, really good. And yeah, I mean, I absolutely love it. This is a unit that is hot glued. I only sew down units if I'm, you know, dealing with a client or something like that. But for the most part, I'm just hot gluing them. It's a really great method. It's easy, it's quick. All of my wigs have lasted, so you definitely will not catch me sewing anything unless it's for a client, okay? I know I might get some questions about the lip color that I have on, and it is from Colourpop. It is LAX, which I had for quite some time and knew that when I was filming this video, I wanted to be a little glamorous today. So hopefully you guys are digging the makeup look. But so yeah, like I said, Cynosure is the company, the Aliexpress company. I'm gonna leave all the links below. And I'm also gonna be giving you guys a review on their deep curly hair because I just ordered that hair for my birthday and I had an amazing time and it looks so beautiful. So I'll definitely be showing you guys some tips and tricks about that too, okay? Thanks.